English phrases for making friends at school, university, or college. Starting a conversation. Hey, how's your day going? What classes do you have this semester? Do you want to sit together at lunch? Have you read any good books recently? Finding common interests. What hobbies do you have? Do you play any sports? Have you seen any good movies lately? Do you have any favorite music or bands? Are you into video games or anything like that? Inviting to join activities. A few of us are going to the library after school. Want to join? We're planning a picnic this weekend. Would you like to come? There's a game this Friday. Want to come with me? Would you like to join our study group? Keeping the conversation going. What do you like most about our school? That's interesting. Can you tell me more? I didn't know that. How did you get into it? I'd love to hear more about your experience. Suggesting hangouts. Do you want to hang out after school sometime? Let's exchange numbers so we can chat more. How about we grab a coffee or snack together? Let's go for a walk during lunch. Would you like to study together for the upcoming test? How about we check out a new cafe after school? Closing the conversation. It was great talking to you. I hope we can chat again soon. See you in class. It was nice meeting you. I really enjoyed talking with you. Let's keep in touch.